At the Limestone District School Board, we're shaping the future by investing in STEM education for students. With a generous donation of $250,000 from the Limestone Learning Foundation, grades 9 and 10 technology courses are being transformed.
We made an RC car, so we had one microbit, so my microbit, as a send signal, so it sends a signal, and then his microbit receives it, inputs it into the car, and then we can control it and go through an obstacle course.
I really enjoyed working on making the car auto turn when it hits a black line, so it can go through an obstacle course on its own. I enjoyed piecing together the code for that.
This is just one example of how the microbit provides learning experiences that have curriculum connections beyond technological education to other subject areas, including science, math, and geography.
This code is to go forward, and this one's to go left, this one's to stop, and this one's to right.
Everything has computer science now. We live in a time that everything involves computers, and so any job or anything, I think that having this experience would be really helpful to know what I want to do, and also I think it might be good for my employer to know that I can do that, and I just think that that is good for me.
Thanks to the Limestone Learning Foundation, we're equipping students with the tools and skills to succeed in any pathway they choose after high school. Together, we're preparing them to shape the future.